Hello, my name is Dr. Marc Grossman. For the past 38 years, I've devoted myself to a holistic integrative approach to helping people with different visual conditions through nutrition, lifestyle changes, and eye exercises. Chinese medicine and macular degeneration. Very interesting. What is macular degeneration? Some doctors call it starvation of the retina. So how can Chinese medicine help? Well, it's about nourishment. And in Chinese medicine, nourishment happens from the earth element, the spleen in the stomach. So when we're going to give herbs, nutritional supplementation, acupuncture, we've been very, very effective in using these modalities to help macular degeneration, to help nourish the retina, to help reduce the possibility of bleeding, to increase the circulation to the macular part of the eye. So one of the things that I do in macular degeneration is I also talk to the patient about lifestyle changes, about self-nourishment, and how much they nourish others. So we get into the psychology. We don't treat the condition, we treat the person behind the condition. Why did that person develop macular degeneration? And by doing nutrition, lifestyle changes, looking into the psycho-emotional aspects of it, and doing acupuncture and herbal medicine, macular degeneration has been shown to be not only a nutritionally responsive condition, but also in acupuncture, we've had great success with it. Also using devices such as a microcurrent stimulation, microacupuncture, a special form of acupuncture that has been shown to have really great results with macular degeneration. So I urge you to possibly look into this condition through an integrative medical approach, since macular degeneration is the #1 cause of blindness, irreversible, in the United States. So please visit these websites to educate yourself further to be able to protect your precious gift of sight.